Hi there, I just wanted to share BrainPOP with you, a resource I love. It's not free, but you can ask your school if you can get a subscription for it. The BrainPOP has videos and resources for a variety of subjects, science, social studies, English, all that you can see right here. They also have BrainPOP Junior, which is for our little kiddos, an option for Spanish and French. Let's go check out social studies. There's tons of unit options. Let's look at US presidents. Let's check out Barack Obama. As you can see, you can play a video. Some BrainPOP videos are like a minute, some are as long as 12 minutes, just kind of depends. There's options for a quiz, there's challenges, you can make a movie to respond to the video, tons of things for your kiddos to do. What I really like is the activities option. So for this video, there's an activity to describe characteristics of President Obama's governing style, an option to think about it, an organizer for students to organize their thoughts about the video and some things that he did, important vocabulary that's good to know. I would definitely use this in my 5th grade social studies units. I'm a multiple subject person, so I think BrainPOP is great because it has a lot of options and a lot of subjects, and it's an appropriate level for, I like 4th and 5th graders, so it's an appropriate level for them. So thanks. Go ahead and check out BrainPOP.